I'm literally editing the video that you are watching right now, and there isn't an intro to it. I decided that I just wanted to show you guys all the meals that I was eating post vacation, put on some nice music, and let you guys just vibe out. So pull out your notebooks, jot some notes, but also check the description box. I'm going to be leaving a description of all of the recipes that I made in this video. And basically, the message that I want to get across is that, yeah, after vacation, you may feel a little bit off. That's normal. Hopefully, you enjoyed yourself guilt-free. There is nothing wrong with taking a break from your routine. My whole philosophy is that I love to have some healthy habits so that I feel good and my best, but that also comes with balance. So after my vacation, I wanted to get back into my healthy routine because that's what makes me naturally feel better, even though I indulged guilt-free. But like I said, I have those happy, yes, and healthy habits to get back to. So what you're gonna see in this video is just me cooking more at home, number one. Even if you're not cooking the healthiest, cleanest meals, if you're just taking that first week back from vacation to just cook all your meals at home, you're already making a great start to getting back on your health journey, if it's been a while, or just getting back into your healthy routine. Number two, you're gonna see sweets, you're gonna see some comfort food, but just modified. So instead of a Snickers bar, I'm gonna have my human chocolate with some almond butter. You're gonna see, instead of like a traditional peach cobbler, I'm having some vegan oatmeal cookies with some peaches, and I'm sweetening it with coconut sugar. So just making things that are comfort. There's even a pasta recipe. So just making comfort food at home, modified with, less refined sugar and less sodium and things of that nature. So I hope this video is helpful and gives you some inspiration on how to get back on track. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video.